Mucemanio wa ajumbe ya ANC mwena wa Bomas uria ukoretwo ugikirwo nginia no rugari munene matuko manini mahituku ukinyanire o ta uria rumiriri ya kiama kiu marabangite indi gatagati-ini ka iruga kweyeheria kwa itugi igiri cia One Kenya Alliance kuma mucemanio ucio uhete muingi mbica ya nyamukano njeru ngwataniro-ini ya OKA.
Vile nilienda kule kwa KANU walialika marafiki zao, na vile marafiki zao walikuja hatukukasirika, tulikaa nao pale pale. Mimi nilialikwa kwa kongamano la Wiper, na vile tulifika huko tulipata wamealika marafiki zao, hatukukasirika. Leo mimi nimeshangaa ati majamaa wanakuja kwa harusi yetu, wanaona tumealika marafiki, ati wanakasirika, wanakanyaga mguu bana.
So whatever has happened today, in my view, is a demonstration of some bit of maturity in our politics, but at the same time portrays a very bad picture and the caliber of the likes of Gideon Moi, Kalonzo and the others that walked out.
Mwaho wa atongoria amwe kuma ithuro ria bururi matikenetio ni maumirira ma mucemanio uyu na mumanite na gukuithia Musalia Mudavadi wa kumakunyanira na guitanga gitio kiria maramuhete aria manyitaga mbaru mito ya Odinga makiuga Musalia tu wa kwihokeka.
Show us your friends and we will know who you are. Seated with Musalia is William Ruto on the one hand and Moses Wetangula on the other hand, after Kalonzo Musyoka and Gideon Moi walked out in protest. Therefore, One Kenya Alliance is officially as dead as dodo.
We expected to see the hotel shaking, but we've come out and found that the hotel is intact. There is no change of atmosphere, but our present party leader can tell us maybe what would have happened, that there is nothing that has happened and gone wrong or right.
Marauga Musalia hamwe na mutongoria wa Ford Kenya Moses Wetangula makoretwo makihiyuria muingi wa ithuro ria bururi na ciraniro itakinyanagira na itanya ria Mudavadi kunyitanira na munini wa president ariokete na uhinga ciraniro ria Mudavadi erire muingi.
Fast forward to 2013, in another transitional election, Musalia Mudavadi misled the Mlembe nation and betrayed Raila Odinga and proceeded to run for election in order to deny Raila some of the western votes.
Riu ituge cia One Kenya Alliance irigerirwo kurekereria ndumiriri yegie mucemanio uyu ihinda riothe kiumia giki riri munini wa president andirire kwanjiriria kuhungura matura mari na Musalia kuha muingi unyite mbaru matanya mao.
Our next stop will be Wednesday in Nakuru County, and then Friday in Western Kenya, and then Saturday in Central Kenya.
Girifotera Inoro TV, Jitago Julius Karithi wa Munene.